Hey guys, I decided to go thrifting. Got out of work early, so I'm at my local Salvation Army. Maybe I'll put a picture up here. They had these bobbleheads from 2001, in sync, I think. I'm probably getting that wrong. Best Buy exclusive. I was kind of disappointed because the price tags were different. One was green and one was blue, and green is on sale, 50% off. So the green one was $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. And then the blue one was $5.99, not on sale. They were a matching pair. I think there's a total of 5 maybe bobbleheads. I really wanted to get 2 and put them up together on eBay, but I only got 1, so that's the gamble you take. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. On to the next thrift store. I spilled my tea. All right, I'm at the next thrift store. Let's hope this one is a little bit better. The last one wasn't bad, but I'm hoping for a treasure. So I'll show you what I bought when I get back out. I didn't take any video in there because they were playing a soundtrack from Oh Brother Where Art Thou. If you haven't seen that movie, I highly recommend it. It's very good. I did get this box here for 75 cents, and it is full of these guys. See if that shows up on camera. Maybe I'll put a picture up in the corner. I have to research it. I think I know what it is. It's something to do with conduits for cable or for wiring. I don't know, but it's a box full. So open box item. I don't know how many, maybe 40 of them in here for 75 cents. Not bad. I'll probably flip it for 25 bucks, but that's all I could find, and couldn't do any video. Not bad. Box of doodads for 75 cents. Okay guys, there's just a little bit of video from me visiting some thrift stores. I did get some stuff, not a big deal. I'll put a picture up here too. These are called squeeze connectors. I had to Google this. It's a little electrical conduit connector, maybe an inch by 7/8. They sell for about $7 for 10, and I got about 38 in a box for, let me think, what was it, 75 cents for 38 of them. So they're different qualities. Some of them look brand new, some of them look a little used. They're not the exact same brand. They're all a little bit different. So I'm going to sell them as a variety, kind of like a lot of 38 used, and I'll probably put them up for about $20, $22 for the lot of them. This guy here, I'll put a picture up too. This is a bobblehead in the box, brand new. I think I talked about this in the video. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It's kind of heavy, actually. This might have to go priority region A because it's kind of an awkward shape and it is heavy. So who knows? I'm going to have to do some research on this. Might list it for about 15 bucks plus shipping on top. And then these plates, these are nice. I'm not going to show you all 3, but these are Sakura Casual Dining Oneida. They look really nice. The back, as far as the maker's mark and this print here, was really nice. It doesn't say made in China or anything. I talk about that in other videos, how to tell a good dish from an inexpensive one. I did look this up in the thrift store. I didn't have any video of me doing that. And they sold for about $13 a piece, and I got 3 of them, and they're all different. I paid $1, so I paid $3. Probably list them for 36, not too bad. And maybe I'll put a picture up here too. So the other thing too that I didn't show were solid brass designer drawer pulls. And I'll put a generic picture up here. It's not the exact one I was looking at, but this is just a little lesson. They had them 50% off for $4 a piece. Now, solid brass drawer pulls that are designer and inlaid and like mother of pearl, and it looks very nice and fancy. You need a minimum of about 8 of those to sell them, because if you think about a dresser with 4 drawers, you're going to have 2 drawer pulls, so that's 8. 8 times 4 is $32. That's almost what you could sell it for. If you're lucky, you'll sell them for $40, so there's no meat on the bone there. It's just not worth it for $32, so I just passed them up and let them go. Now, I might go back later next month. Maybe they'll have them marked down more, maybe 75% off. If I could get them for $1, $1.50, then it would be worth it. So if you see anything like this in a flea market, garage sale, estate sale, solid brass designer drawer pulls, whether they're old and vintage or new, doesn't matter. They do sell really well, but you have to get them cheap for like $1. So that was my haul video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Put questions down below in the comments too. My email's below if you have any questions. Shoot me a question. I love to answer that. A couple videos back I did a Q&A and answered questions for people. If you know anybody else that's trying to get into reselling, selling on eBay, or even just local pickup, Craigslist or OfferUp or anything like that, or Poshmark or Etsy, there's a share button down below. It's like an arrow with a hook to it. If you know anybody that's interested in doing that and they don't know how to get started, or they did get started but they need help, you can hit that share button and you can share my videos with your friends, your family, coworkers, anybody that needs help. You can send it by text message, Facebook, email. There's all kinds of options down there. So hit that share button. And when I look at my analytics for YouTube, about 17% of the people that discover my videos are because somebody shared with them. So that's really cool to know that. So keep sharing the videos, keep putting comments down below, or email. I mean, I get a lot of email questions more than comments, but that's it today. This is my haul video. I should do very well, especially the plates. I turned $3 into 36. I'll let you know in future videos if they do sell. That was probably the best one there. And I've been selling a lot, so there's going to be a what sold on eBay video coming really soon. So that's it today for the haul video. This is the Midwest Picker. Thanks for watching.